guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a compilation of stress relieving DIYs. So I've tried to include different types of DIYs, so I hope that you guys enjoy the video. If you do enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel and if you'd like to stick around for future videos, then be sure to hit that subscribe button. Before we do go ahead and get started, I want to let you guys know that today's video is sponsored by Wix. So guys, a few weeks ago, I made my very own website, allthingsnim.com, using Wix, and it turned out absolutely amazing. If you guys are looking into making your own website, I totally recommend using Wix. You can make pretty much any type of website using Wix, from a personal blog to a slime shop. The possibilities are endless since Wix has a professional solution for all your website needs. From a variety of different apps to getting a custom domain for your website, Wix also gives you total creative freedom to make your website using their website builder to build a site from scratch, or choose from their many templates and customize it to your needs. Honestly, I've had a really good experience making my website using Wix, so if you guys want to make your own website, they were kind enough to offer a coupon code. Use the code NIM100 to get 10% off their unlimited premium plan. So be sure to check out the description box for all of the details. A huge thank you to Wix for sponsoring this video, and with that all being said now, let's get right into the compilation. Okay guys, so in this video today, I'm going to be sharing with you some very stress relieving DIYs. So the first one we have here is a donut squishy filled with some jelly slime. And if you want, you can just make the squishy or just the slime. Both are very stress relieving and super fun to play with. Other than this, I'm also going to show you guys how to make some phone cases and notebooks. I'm not going to be doing a voiceover in this video because you can find the original videos and I'll have links for them in the description box, but in those videos I explain everything in like a lot of detail, and the videos in here are going by pretty fast, as you can probably tell, so I am trying to show you as much detail as possible, but if there's still like any question, you can find the original video. So now I'm gonna put some music on and I hope that you guys enjoy the video. And that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you all are having a fantastic day. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one.